Hi, my name is Amber. I'm the founder of Bambu Earth, and I wanted to talk to you today about shrinking your pores. So I'm going to do a little exercise with you first. I want you to go grab a little mirror, a little handheld mirror, or you can stand in front of a full-length mirror. And I want you to stand about arm's length away. So if you have a handheld, just hold it as far as you can away from your face. And then I want you to slowly draw the mirror closer until you can see your pores. And so I want you to look carefully and keep drawing your mirror closer. I'm going to do it right now. And then once you can actually physically see your pores, I want you to stop the mirror. Okay, so for me, that's about it. So I'm stopping the mirror here. I'm going to show you. This is how far away my pores are visible. So not many people get this close to my face, except maybe my husband, and I promise you he's not thinking about my pores when he's this close to me. And we get this close to our faces daily. In the mirror, we're getting really close to our face, we're seeing all of the imperfections, we're seeing all of our pores, we're seeing all the discoloration, we're seeing all the fine lines, but the truth of the matter is, not many people get this close to you, where you can literally feel the warmth of their face. To be able to see all of those imperfections. And I wanted to encourage you today that if you are concerned with pore size, with shrinking your pores, first of all, it's a myth. You can't actually shrink them. We can talk a little bit more about reducing the appearance of them later. But what I want to tell you today and what I want to encourage you with is the easiest way, the fastest way to shrink your pores is just to stand away from the mirror. At a normal length, back away from the mirror and your pore size will instantly shrink.